Hi guys, it's Martin. Open shelving is a big design trend. It's a great way to update the look of a kitchen by simply removing some of the upper cabinets, and the shelves become a stylish way to not only store items, but also display them proudly, right? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own shelving unit, which can be considered modern, industrial, or even a little bit of farmhouse, depending on your decorating style. Let's get started. Materials needed for this project are 1x8 wood boards, black steel pipe fittings threaded on each end, 12 inches long and 8 inches long, floor flanges, 90-degree elbows, T-fittings, conduit straps, wood stain, and black spray paint. If you haven't guessed by now, these are plumbing supplies that I'll be turning into brackets to hold my shelves. They also come in different diameters, and for this project, I'm using a 3/4 inch size. All the packaging said black finish on them, but if you notice, the color is not consistent, and I'm okay with that because it lends itself more to an industrial look using recycled materials, which in this case I am. However, if you prefer a more even color, once you assemble all the parts, you can spray paint them so that they're all the same. Let's begin to assemble all the plumbing parts for my first bracket. I'm using 3 floor flanges and threading the 8-inch pipe onto each. On the first and third flange, I thread the 90-degree elbow, making sure they face each other in the end. And in the center flange, I attach the T-fitting. The 12-inch pipe goes in between, connecting all 3 sections together. If you followed all the steps correctly, you should now have basically the shape of an E. And I'm using the floor flanges to secure the bracket to the wall. I'm also placing a shelf on top, one in the middle, and one on the bottom. Super easy. Notice that the pipes don't thread all the way in, and that's how it's supposed to be. Repeat all the steps again for the second bracket. Let's now work on the wood shelves. I had these cut at my local home improvement store, and I sanded the splintered edges to get a smoother finish. I'm staining the shelves in a dark walnut, but you can choose any color that complements your space. Just make sure you stain all sides since they will be visible. Okay, I stained all the shelves, I assembled all the fittings. Let's now do the final install to see it all come together. The shelves will rest on the brackets like this. Notice that the width of the shelf is 8 inches because that's about the depth that I have using the 8-inch pipe fitting. Got that? If you want a deeper shelf area, choose a longer fitting in this section. I'm securing the shelves to the support bracket underneath with a 3/4 inch conduit strap, which I spray painted black so that it blends better with everything. If you have an empty wall anywhere in your kitchen, this is a beautiful way to add storage. In my case, I'm using the shelving unit that I created as part of my coffee station to keep everything organized. Now you know. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project, and I'll see you soon with more ways to create and save.